How to log in into your Hulu account. Let's get started. You can launch your Hulu app or also you can log into your Hulu account using the web version. I'm going to use the web browser. Launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in Hulu login and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, www.hulu.com. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Now click on three bars given at the top right corner. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option Login. You will be directed to the login page. Now from here you can easily get access to your Hulu account. All you have to do is provide your Hulu account's credentials. First up, type in your email address. After you type in your email address, click on Continue. After you type in, click on Login, and just with that, you'll be logged into your Hulu account. So this way you can easily log into Hulu account. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.